The kind drama wey dey happen for inside this our country Nigeria, omo, e go give you mixed reactions. E go make you shed tears, e go make you laugh, and e go make you fear join. As I'm talking to you right now, my correct people, the Kaduna State House of Assembly, they don fall law. They don shit for church and they can't go use Bible take clean yash because RI0US don sue Kaduna Assembly and they challenge the probe against them. Yes, so the past governor of Kaduna State to be Malam Nazir RI0US, he don dey yarn dey give the Federal High Court for inside Kaduna. So when they quench that report, when they squash the report of the State House of Assembly as they indict am of 432 billion naira theft. No be small matter, my correct people. I still bring another update for you concerning wetin dey happen for inside the country Nigeria, and this one na about the crisis wey dey happen for inside Rivers State. You know say Governor Fubara don come outside the yarn dey give the public about the failed bomb attempt. This man say people now try to engineer state of emergency as dem try to go bomb the hotel presidential wey dey for inside Port Harcourt. Now this accuse na serious one. Is it legit or is it false? I will give you the details, my correct people. But I want first use 2 seconds welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. Listen, now we dey give the legitimate information concerning the things and things wey dey happen for inside this our nation Nigeria. So if you go like to receive news like that, make you subscribe to this channel and make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the updates they come, now you go first get the update and you go get them sharp. So without wasting much of your time, make I dive right back into the cocoa of the hour. The tori be say for inside one suit now wey dey filed by RI0US lawyer, the man named na AU Mustafa on Wednesday. RI0US now dey yarn say the assembly they don breach im right to a fair hearing by not inviting him in the course of the probe. That is, they no first call and say how far sweetie dey sup o. Now him come dey yarn dey give the court say make dem declare the report of the assembly ad hoc committee indicting him null and void. RI0US media aide now wey be Muyiwa Adekeye now dey yarn about the development for inside one statement like that on Wednesday. According to Adekeye now, he say Malam Nazir RI0US he been dey for inside the Federal High Court for Kaduna to sign the affidavit wey dey support in fundamental right enforcement case against the Kaduna State House of Assembly and the Kaduna State government. And he say Malam Nazir RI0US he approach the court as a Nigerian citizen wey dey entitled to be given a fair hearing before his rights can be determined by a quasi-judicial or investigative body or court in line with the provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended and the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. Oga RI0US asked the court to declare that by the provisions of section 36 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, the report of the ad hoc committee on investigation of loans, financial transactions, contractual liabilities and other related matters of the government of Kaduna State from the 29th day of May 2015 to the 29th day of May 2023, just as the Kaduna State House of Assembly dey yarn is unconstitutional and therefore null and void for violating his right to fair hearing as guaranteed under the Constitution. So how you see this matter, my correct people? It don sound say this RI0US case now e don take a new twist. E don follow another road. Now why e no good to dey rush when you dey do something? Anything wey dey do, calm down, make it calculate things and things wey dey involve. Now I know say the Kaduna State House of Assembly now they go dey regret am. They go dey talk say, if to say we know, we for first invite am over first of all. You understand? Because with this leg now wey RI0US don use as he don go court, he don follow the legal means. He don dey say, see o, these men now they don dey against my human right o. Normally we know say the judicial system of the country Nigeria e dey somehow, but he dey very much right. So we no know how the case go take turn up. And my correct people, make I just yarn you on how the thing dey start. You know say the ad hoc committee now wey dey set up by the Kaduna State House of Assembly to investigate all the finances plus loans and contracts wey dey awarded under RI0US. Now on the 5th day of June 2024, now they indict the former governor and some of him appointees of siphoning, as in of stealing 423 billion naira state funds. The assembly now, as they adopt the report of the 30-man panel, they can ask the current governor wey be Gbas to make him carry RI0US maybe in commissioner of finance and other aides them to relevant security agencies for investigation. Then for inside April, the assembly can set up the 30-man panel wey be say na the deputy speaker Henry Danjuma na be their head to torchlight RI0US administration. And the torchlighting by the assembly e dey come just weeks after the governor of Kaduna state wey be Gbas we don complain, and him dey complain say RI0US, the man him leave behind one kind huge debt o. The kind debt wey him leave behind is strong, and e make am no fit dey pay workers their salary. So that my correct people, na so the matter e take start. Now RI0US don carry them go court. Then for their mind they go say we don catch this fish, so they don't know say as they plan their own, RI0US dey plan him own. On to the next informate wey I bring come for you my correct people. Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State, he don accuse the supporters of the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, maybe Nyesom Wike, of attempting to bomb the hotel presidential for inside Port Harcourt, maybe the state capital. And Governor Fubara now dey yarn say this failed bombing say na attempt to justify the move to declare a state of emergency for inside the state. And Governor Fubara dey sama this in claim as in they receive a delegation from the Senate Committee on Privatization and Commercialization led by Senator Orji Uzor Kalu for inside Port Harcourt. According to Governor Fubara, he say as a matter of fact, making yarn us the cocoa, he say he know everything wey dey happen o. He say the protesters now then they aware say the delegation dey come the state. Now why they can't go attempt to create a serious problem, and he say the plan na to bomb the hotel presidential because the delegation they been there, but God wey they serve no allow am happen. But wetin can happen be say the man wey they try to bomb the place, he can go press the thing just few seconds after the thing blow the man hand. And the idea of all this kasala be say as the year of state of emergency, it could come by as if by the time dem finish and they can return to their sitting on Thursday, the debate now go come from this state wey be Rivers State, and go come from somebody wey advise them not to come. And that person now go come raise the issue of state of emergency, and go come say after all our distinguished colleague been there and he see how the thing dey happen live and direct for inside Rivers State. No be small wahala, my correct people. You know say e go surprise you the extent wey your enemies go just to bring you down. E go surprise you the kind determination, the kind focus, the kind extent wey they go, the kind length wey they go travel just for your downfall, my brother. Now why e good make we always dey hold our God strong? You see this man wey be Siminalayi Fubara, na only with him behavior na you go know say na peaceful man, na man wey be say he wan just do good, but forces no wan allow am get peace of mind. Forces no wan allow am drink water drop cup. My correct people, this na the informate way I say make a pass give all of una. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. I know say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey bring the legit information concerning the things and things wey dey happen for inside this our nation. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first get the updates and you go get them sharp. I dey bring another news for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.